After this way, there's a little pathway heading up. This building up on top looks like some fortification or a lookout tower, probably put up here by the Georgian, one of the kings or one of the other conquerors of this city. So we're going to take a closer look and see if we can find any evidence of where it's from. Right below it is actually, it looks like an old pottery, unless it was put up here for part of that. See some of the cement. Looks later, doesn't look old as Byzantine, but it's just field stones or the stones from the hillside placed in here. Actually, next to this tower, you see a few of the like kilns or things for storage. Maybe this was a house that was here at one point, storing stuff under the ground to keep it cool. Maybe they had no electricity back in the day. This is way up. Again, you have a building here, looks like, modern, next to this tower. There was a place for barracks for the military. Let's keep going up and see what we can see. Nice little path. Way up. And you got looks like a Georgian cross here on top. Little fortification up on top. Looking around. Look down into the botanical gardens down there. Waterfalls, walkways. And that little place there was a place that we often been to. You can see there the tower from this angle. And looking at this, obviously there's some dirt up there. It's growing in the middle. But the rocks in the development of this was not very crafted well. The bricks are not actually even. It looks like going horizontal. But it was a makeshift tower, it looks like. So you come up next close to it. There was an entryway here, a big entryway, and there's still a little bit of entryway in this section here. It's probably just used as a bathroom now. You can see some people have had a little drinking spree. And up here, modern day wooden floor up there. So, around the front here, actually the botanical side, which would be the southern side. And let's take a look here close up. Bricks even looks like there's a irrigation or water space there or piping. Most likely all the rocks from this area. I don't see any signage or any depiction of whether it was Georgian or Byzantine. Maybe this was a cove to keep people warm when the wind's blowing. People use it for some reason. But yeah. Overlooking the city and the Mother of Georgia back right over there. And that area there is get up here, so a little better. You can see it right there. This is on that walkway over far end of the Mother of Georgia. Up here, you can just take this path down. It's along the way, and it heads on to the connects to the where the cars go by right there.